Mukoleje korirwa ha Renzor Square Central Division omutawuni ya Kasese. Aha mukoro ogu Dr. Yusuf Kibayo mukuru w'ebyamatungo bwa district ya Kasese nagira ngo omuntu omwe omwaka gw'2021 akaitwa oburwaire bwa Rabies.
2 years ago, human died of rabies. And in 2003, we had 2 dogs died of suspected rabies. Last year, that's 2023, 201 human were bitten by dogs and reported to the health center.
Fred Kawiye kurgo mu kitongole cha National Drug Authority nagira ngo abantu bino kwejumbira mu kujemesa embwa zabo abo kugira ngo niziba nizitura mu bantu.
Kubanga ebiso bino bibeera naffe bye tulya nabyo bye bikola ki bye birya. Kati bwe tunabiragajjalira ne bifuna endwadde enkambwe endwadde ezo zijja komekeza nga zikola ki nga ziri mu ffe.
We have a team that is vulnerable as a result of this, especially the young ones are always affected, the elderly and the women, then the disabled. They can't run in case of a problem.
Jamir Mkwayo member wa board w'ekitongole cha National Drug Authority kandi obirajukire mukuru w'ekitongole ki nagira ngo nibija kurebeka mu district ya Kasese yatunga omubazi gw'okukozesa omukujemwa embwezi.
Now we have identified different gaps that Kasese have got a number of animals and they need more support for drugs and other entities that may help them. So the struggle will continue.
As government, we are going to put more money in some of these, in research and innovation. But the most important thing, we must also develop and commercialize them. And that one we are going to do.
District ya Kasese rumwe embwa z'urukurenga omutwaro gumwe n'obukirayi b'ekirungu 182 nazo zigyemirwe zonka. Amakuru aga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.